So in text mining, accuracy is often a lie. Imagine you are building a terrorist detection system. If you just predicted not a terrorist for every single person on earth, you will have a 99.99% accuracy. But you would miss every single terrorist, right? To evaluate model correctly, we need better metrics. Today we will explain the confusion matrix, precision, recall, and the F1 score. So first is the confusion matrix. Everything starts here, the confusion matrix, right? It breaks the prediction into 4 buckets. True positive, we correctly found the target. True negative, we correctly ignored the noise. False positive, we sounded a false alarm. And false negative, we missed the target. This is usually the most dangerous error, right? From these 4 buckets, we derive our matrices. Accuracy is simply, did we just get it right? Is it the total correct divided by the total prediction? Precision is about quality. When we predicted spam, how often were we right? Low precision means you are deleting important emails. Recall is about quantity. Out of all the actual spam in existence, how much did we find? Low recall means your inbox is still full of junks. Right? So this was all about that. You can read it. Okay. So here is the catch, right? Let's just be here. Precision and recall are often in a tug of war. If you want 100% recall, catch every criminal, I should say, you might arrest everyone, which is a low precision. To solve this, we use the F1 score. It is the harmonic mean of 2. It only gives a high score if both precision and recall are decent. If they both are kind of balanced, right? So it's a standard matrix for text mining. Very, very important. Now if we visualize the things, let's visualize this with math, right? Look at the default values. So we have TPS 50, FPS 5, and here our precision is kind of high, 90%. Yes, we can see it. Because we rarely cry wolf, right? Only 5 false positives. If I increase the false positive to 50, right? So here is the false positive. If I increase to 50, right? We are making everything as spam, but notice recall didn't change, right? Recall doesn't care about false alarms. It only cares that we found the 50 true spam emails. If we okay, false negative, okay, this was the false positive. Let's just reduce it, and if we increase the false negative to 50, now the recall crashes to 50%, right? We missed half the spam. And look at the F1 score. It pushes us off doing poorly in either of the category, right? So if classes are balanced, accuracy is fine. But for the things like spam, fraud, or cancer detection, always look at your F1 score, right? So this was all about the video. Thank you.